Hello and welcome to the first video on my new channel. I'm going to call it 164 Scale Customs, and I basically am going to start building a bunch of 164 scale farm trucks, like this one. I just got through, I painted it a while ago. It's not the best, but it's a 164 scale Ertl Dodge Ram 2500 cab on its original chassis with Greenlight dually axles and tires. I added tinfoil aluminum stacks, handmade, and just painted the back of the truck. My second truck I did, this was actually the first one I did. It's a 58 Apache cab from M2 model cars on a F350 chassis that's in split. It's a little bit taller than the Dodge Ram, just a little bit. Just a little bit taller. Both trucks are set up for Ertl trailers. I plan on doing a bunch more like this. I'll probably do a couple more of these. I have another Apache in my other room that is lower to the ground, but has the axles and tires off of this truck, the original truck. That's about it for the first video that's going to go up on my YouTube, and I will catch you all next time.